Are you struggling to visualize your data with Seaborn? It can be tricky to create the perfect bar plot, especially when you want to compare multiple variables. If that sounds like you, stick around because today we're going to tackle how to create a bar plot with 2 variables for each day of the week. I totally get it. Trying to represent multiple data points in a single plot can feel overwhelming. You're not alone in this. Many people face the same challenge when working with data visualization. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I create a bar plot with day of week as the x-axis and show both clicks and conversion rates for each day? If you're in a similar situation, let's dive into the solution together. To understand this better, we need to recognize that Seaborn is a powerful visualization library in Python. It allows us to create complex visualizations easily. In this case, we want to compare 2 variables, clicks and conversion rates, across different days of the week. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a quick tip at the end that will help you enhance your plots even further. You won't want to miss it. To create a bar plot with 2 variables for each day of the week, the user should first import the necessary libraries. This includes pandas for data manipulation and Seaborn for visualization. Next, the user needs to prepare the data. They should ensure that the data frame is structured correctly, with day of week as a categorical variable. Now the user can create the bar plot. They should use the Seaborn library's bar plot function, specifying day of week for the x-axis and using the hue parameter to differentiate between clicks and CR. Finally, the user should display the plot. They can use matplotlib's show function to visualize the bar plot with both variables for each day. Fun fact, did you know that the first bar charts were created in the 18th century? They've come a long way since then, and now we can create them with just a few lines of code. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to creating a bar plot with 2 variables for each group involves using matplotlib along with Seaborn styles. First, set up your data frame and index it by day of the week. Then, create a figure and add a subplot. Use the twin axes feature to plot clicks and conversion rates side by side, customizing the colors and widths of the bars. Finally, adjust the labels and limits for clarity. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always explore your data before plotting. Understanding your data can lead to better visualizations and insights. And there you have it. You now know how to create a bar plot with 2 variables using Seaborn. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data visualization.